One of the things that Plytix is helping us with is when prices increases, which they do a lot at the moment, then we can, with a few clicks, like change thousands of prices on different products.
We used to work in silos, like in a lot of different folders on a drive. And whenever somebody had to find some information about a product, they had to go to the department and ask, where is that image or where's that product title, etc. And it was so time consuming. But now that everybody is feeding that information into one place, like one source of truth, people don't have to ask those questions. They just go directly into Plytix and search for the product and find that information.
It took a long time for us to create products. The huge downside to it was that we actually had to create the product on each site. There was a lot of work transferring this product data, which was practically the same data, to the different sites. So yeah, it took about an hour to create a product with the old systems, and what we've seen so far is like about a 70% reduction in time using Plytix. So we would be able to create about 3 times as many products.
I cannot stress this enough, but one of the key reasons for engaging with Plytix is the customer service. What we have experienced is above and beyond, both when it comes to onboarding, but also, just regular challenges. We always get an answer immediately, or if the problem is not fixed right away, we always get an ETA when we can expect something, and it's where Plytix distinguish themselves from other systems.
In my previous company, I think they developed their own PIM, and once I started working in Eva Solo, I was quite surprised what an actual PIM can do. Like one that is, I would say, more up to date. We feed all of the information from Plytix to our web shop, our own web shop, our B2C platform, and that information is then fed into our Google shopping feed, and then it ends up, in the hands of an end consumer. We work less in silos and more as a cooperative team now.
I saw a lot of possibilities to minimize errors. I also saw a lot of possibilities to increase the overview and control of our e-commerce manager, being able to survey which products are missing what. It seemed like a very flexible system that you could easily adapt to your needs, and I thought that was really nice, because with 13 shops and different sports genres, being flexible and adaptive was pretty important for us.
The design of Plytix makes it very, very easy to, first of all, navigate in, but also import, export data. And I have not found that to be at the same level of easiness at the other PIM systems that I have worked with.
So we started using Plytix in 2019, and then we got to know what we could do, all the functionalities that Plytix had. So we created a computed attribute where today, when we have to make a special price for a customer, we can put in a percentage of the sales price. And that is the way that we then can make sure that the customer is not suddenly getting a much cheaper price than the normal sales price, because when the sales price go up, then the special price is also going up with the same percentage.
What?
Thanks, Plytix!
That was a great...
Okay, I can do that again.
Okay.
Thanks, Plytix!